You know that simple, aromatic spice you might already have sitting in your kitchen cabinet? What if I told you it could be a secret weapon for your daily digestive comfort? Today, we're going to dive into how cardamom can be a gentle, natural ally for your gut.
Okay, let's start with something I think we've all felt. You've just finished a delicious meal, but then that heavy, bloated feeling sets in. Maybe a little gassy, a little uncomfortable. Sound familiar?
Well, this brings us to our star of the show today, cardamom. Its fancy name is Elaichi cardamomum, and for centuries, especially in Ayurvedic tradition, it's been treasured for its amazing ability to calm and soothe the stomach. So let's tackle that first problem head-on, post-meal discomfort. It's something so many of us just kind of put up with. But what if there was a really simple way to ease it?
Yeah, I'm talking specifically about that feeling of heaviness, that annoying gas and bloating that can just make you feel sluggish after you eat. It's a surprisingly common thing. And this is where cardamom just shines. It's known to directly help with all three of those things. See, its essential oils have properties that actually help relax your stomach muscles, which lets your body release any trapped air and just eases that feeling of fullness.
And the solution, it honestly couldn't be easier. This isn't some complicated recipe. You literally just take one little cardamom pod after your meal, chew it really well, and get this, as a fantastic little bonus, it's a great natural breath freshener.
Okay, so it helps with bloating. But what about that fiery feeling? Let's move on to another really common issue, stomach acidity.
Do you ever get that after certain meals? That mild, burning sensation in your stomach? Just a hint of acidity that can really ruin the whole experience of enjoying your food?
So here's how cardamom helps with that. It's not just covering up the problem. It actually has a cooling and soothing effect right on the stomach lining itself, which helps to calm all that irritation down.
And guess what? The method for relief is exactly the same. You just gently chew one pod after eating. The whole point here is to just let its natural properties do their thing and bring that cooling, calming sensation to your stomach. Simple as that.
All right, now for something a little different. A benefit where you don't even have to eat the spice to feel the effect. Let's talk about those moments of queasiness.
Oh man, we've all been there. You've had a really rich or heavy meal, and afterwards you just feel a bit off, a little nauseous, a general uneasiness in your stomach.
Now this is what I find absolutely fascinating. It turns out just the aroma of cardamom can be enough to help with that feeling of nausea. Its scent, all on its own, has this really powerful calming effect.
Okay, so we've seen how it can help in a pinch, but the real magic happens when you use it gently and regularly. So, how can you easily make cardamom a part of your daily routine?
Well, one of the absolute best ways is to make a simple tea. Just take a single pod, crush it a little to release all those good oils, boil it in some water for a few minutes, and then sip it while it's warm. It's such a wonderfully soothing way to support your digestion.
And hey, it's incredibly versatile, so you don't have to stop with just tea. You can add a tiny pinch of cardamom powder to your regular coffee, mix it into a glass of warm milk, or even sprinkle it into things like soups or your morning oatmeal.
Okay, before we wrap up, this part is really important. Like with any natural remedy, you've got to use it correctly. So let's quickly go over some key precautions.
The number one rule here is moderation. With cardamom, a little bit goes a long way. If you use too much, it could potentially cause a bit of dryness or discomfort. So just sticking to one pod at a time is definitely the way to go. And this quote really just captures the whole idea perfectly, doesn't it? Cardamom isn't about some big, dramatic fix. It's all about gentle, consistent support that's part of your everyday wellness routine.
So that kind of leaves us with a final thought to take home. Whether it's a simple cup of cardamom tea or something else completely, what small, daily practice could you bring into your life to give yourself just a little more comfort and well-being?